Good afternoon, everybody. According to this book, Get Wisdom, Not Money, I found out there are 10 top billionaires in Forbes magazine. Well, the first one is Elon Musk. The second one is Bernard Arnault family, Larry Edison, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, Larry Page, and many others. Well, I found out those who are in the top of success, they never give up. They are persistent, resilient. They don't sleep a lot, and they don't believe in negativities. Well, if you can succeed, if you want to succeed in life, don't believe in the pessimistic people. Don't believe in this word. It is impossible. Say it is possible. If they did, I can do all things. Well, go to Amazon, find this book, will blow your mind, and your life will not be the same again. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.